What's good? Clocking back in. Back with another vlog. What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in with another video, and today, see where we at? You don't know where I'm at. I am in Lubbock. Running it back, running it back, running it back.
Let's go.
Solo trip, of course. This is my birthday shirt. Go follow me on Instagram at Tony C Go Crazy. You know, something slight. Come to chill with my boy Kiki for his C-Day. Have to get a telly. I'm getting a telly everywhere I go. Gotta get my own place. Last time I came to Lubbock, it was some weird shit going on. So now, my shit is going to be only for me. You feel me? But I like this shit. Come on, man. Stop playing, man. Big TC, not the little one. High ceiling. About to get out, you know. Big shark, ain't really sharking, but hey, you know the vibe. Switching up the content a little bit. Got some car content tomorrow. Missed out on the LS for the whip, but it's all right. I wanted to go 6'2" anyways. It was a 6'0". Good price, man. I've been missing a lot of deals, but hey, I'm gonna stay down till I come up. Need to lock in on a lot of other stuff. School, need to get back in shape, getting back into the gym. Even though I'm coming out the party, it sounds crazy, but hey, you know, I'm still locked in. But fit solid. Y'all catch me next clip. Probably be with Kiki or probably Austin or Aiden. I don't know. I'm gonna call him here in a minute and see what's going. What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in. As you can see, I didn't get any Lubbock footage, but just know I had a good time. I definitely had a good time. I went to Miguel's bar and back to the basics. But right now, see this? About to go in there. See this? The parts are right here. No motor. But this is about to come out. That's going in. I'm getting 6'2" soon, but yeah, my dad's about to get ready and start pulling out this 454. I think I might have a potential buyer for my motor. I'm not sure yet. What the heck? But still no motor in the dunk. Need to put on my hood right, about to fall off. Got a new brake booster. No training. Taking it on Wednesday to get registered, get my tags. Still got my wires for my radiator. Need to put that back in. But y'all stay tuned. We in the dunk with it. That boy. Boy, this mug growling. God damn. I just pull up in that motherfucker. Boy, that motherfucker. to the shop. Update at the shop. Our trail got his 2-door box in there. And that boy, you already know, LS swap. 5.3 Cutlass. 455 Cutlass. Let's see. Let's go look at Tavy. Tavy got that boy. That boy. T-top Regal. Mug is for sale. I think he want $2,500. If y'all want it, let me know. $2,500. Same box. Same Cutlass. 72 donk. Forgot what year that is. Let's go look at Tavy's shit. My freaking phone ran out of storage. I'm telling y'all, that'd be the main reason I don't be recording. But Tavy got he got that motherfucker. It's the hottest in the city, not gonna lie. Corleones. I don't know if it's on my channel or not, but yeah, you got that boy. 6'2", all that. LEDs, everything. 72 vert, baby, running. Posi track, 4L80, all that. Purple Pearl. That fast, gone. On to the next. But like I was saying earlier, I was trying to show y'all the dashboard in this. My freaking phone keeps running out of storage. I just need to put an SD card in the camera we got at home, but yeah, got that boy. About to get ready and put that engine on a stand, then take this back home, get ready for LS. Find me a 6.2. This gonna get a little minor makeover. Then we lit. Forgot my motor was up here. I ain't even seen it in a minute. Somebody need to come buy this. They supposed to be coming tomorrow. New fuel pump. Telling you, all this motor needs is the heads. Everything. New cam. All that. This aftermarket. Everything. Elco. All that. Good motion.
Just send it might do the message, tell them that whole hell. We say you got soccer practice tomorrow.
And that boy, can't wait till I get my dunk finished. Man, this car's running 3 hours ago. Now we about to tow it back. About to be LS time, cam, all that, man, telling you. But yeah, man, it's that time. Y'all stay tuned. We gonna get a ride in Tavy's dunk when I come back. I'm telling you. I don't know what that noise is, but this mug was just running 3 hours ago. I'm telling you, they pulled it maybe in an hour 30. It's pretty quick. Twin. No, we in the trenches, man, in them donks. Who y'all know young doing this like me? Even though my shit ain't running. Man, there's some great content. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you to all the new subs. We just running it up, man. I'm trying to give y'all the best content possible. Can't wait till I 6'2" that dunk. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a vet in a dunk. We going to the strip. We doing all of that. I'm doing everything. Everything. But y'all stay tuned. Next clip will be me and Tavy's drop because I keep running out of storage. Storage is my main concern, main problem. I'm really mad I didn't get footage at Tech because I had the mics and everything. It really should have been shark content. No cap. But it's whatever. Y'all stay tuned.
probably gonna be down there.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't care where we go, we just ride. I ain't been to OKC like that. Oh, this we go there.
TC go crazy.
What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in, and as you can see, the 454 is already gone. Not my motor, but this is my dad's motor. The 468 needs to be gone. Buyer is here to come get it. LS time. Coming out to end out the vlog. Thank everyone for the new subs, the new support. We're going up, man. We're going up. I told y'all I'm back. I am running out of storage. I keep running out of storage. So if it takes me a while to upload, don't get mad. But hey, the content is here. 468 will be gone soon. New content, 6'2", 5'3", cams, heads, all that. We're going in a different direction. Y'all stay tuned.